Parents and my students, welcome to my basic maths. I introduce myself. My name is HB So. I have completed my MSc, B.Ed and MSc in philosophy from Karnataka University, Dharwad. Now, today I am going to explain about the mathematics. In mathematics, it contains mainly three parts. One is an arithmetic and algebra and geometry. Arithmetic means from the knowing numbers we should do the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. In algebra we have only unknown numbers are there from small a, small b, small c to x, y, z. The addition of unknown numbers and constant variables we are going to learn in algebra. In third parts, geometry, we are beginning with the point. After the point we line segments, triangles, quadrilaterals and different parts we are studying in geometry. And in geometry, about the circles, triangles, area we are going to study in a different ways. And now, for the smaller children, I am going to start about the basic maths. In a basic maths, it's very important for the children and everybody. The children from the LKG to 10th standard, the addition is an important, subtraction is an important, multiplication is an important and division is an important. If they know everything from the base, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, children can improve in the mathematics wholly. My dear parents and my dear children, today I am going to start an addition of single digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. All are called natural numbers. It is also denoted by n. It is also denoted by n. If 0 is included, these numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on are called whole numbers. It is denoted by that. Dear children, the numbers without 0, these are called as the natural numbers. With including 0, we will call as the whole numbers. Next, in numbers, we have some positive numbers are also there and negative numbers also there. Here on the number line, on a number line, here 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3 and plus 4, plus 5 and so on. Here we have a minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. Here the number goes on increasing everywhere. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on. Here the numbers are decreasing. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4 goes on decreasing. Here 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3 and plus 4 and plus 5 and so on are called positive integers. And children, minus 1, minus 2. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4 are called negative integers. Students, we are adding unit digits numbers. Third one here, 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. I am taking an object up here, one object plus two objects. You can add here 1, then here another two objects in there. 1, after 1 we are getting 2 and 3. 1 plus 2 it becomes 3 only. Next children, 4 plus 5. 4, I am taking an object of here. 1, 2, 3, 4 objects. Next I am taking here 5 is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it becomes 9. Children, here 6 plus 2 is there. Here how many objects? First 6 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another one 2 is there? Two objects. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After 6, 7, 8. Then totally it becomes 8. See here, all these, what I have done, 1 to 5 sums, it's a single digit. Now I am taking addition with 2 digits. Means here, unit place is there and 10th place is there. In a 2 digits. For example here, first one, 13 plus 24. This one you can add it directly here, but children, small children have some doubts here. That's why I am taking here units and tens. And here 13, 3 is in a unit place I wrote here, and 1 is in a tens place I wrote here. 13 here plus I wrote here 24, means 4 is in unit place and 2 is in tens place. Here we can write this type of one, we can write in this form. 3 plus 4. After 3, there are 3 digits are there. After 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Here we wrote 7. Next, 1 is there, 2 is there. 1 plus 2. 1. For say 1 is in your mind and 2 is in your hand. After 1, 2, 3. And here the answer becomes 37. And go to the next sum. Here, I hope that you understood this sum. Okay? And next, 25 plus 53. This one, first you can write in a units and tens. That you write the 25. 5 is in a unit place and 2 is in a tens place. Plus 53 is there. 3 is in a unit place and 5 is in a tens place. After arranging these, you can add a 5 to 3. 5 is in your hand and 3 is in your hand. 5 is in your mind. After 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 here. This is correct. Next, 2 plus 5. 2 is in your mind and 5 is in your hand. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. The total answer is 78. Next, we proceed to the third sum. 74 plus 1. This is the 2-digit numbers. You can write in this format, units and tens. This 74, 4 is in a unit place and 7 is in a tens place. Plus, you can write it here plus. And 21. 1 is in a unit place and 2 is in a tens place. Add 4 plus 1. 4 is in your mind and 1 is in your hand. After 4 it becomes a 5. 5 is the answer. And 7 plus 2 is there. 7 is in your mind and 2 is in your hand. After 7, 8 and 9. 9 is the answer. Okay, now coming to the fourth sum here. 63 plus 32. 63 plus 32. That you can write in the form of unit and tens. Continue. And here 63. 3 is in a unit place and 6 is in a tens place. Plus 32. 2 is in a unit place and 3 is in a tens place. Now here 3 is in your mind. 2 is in your hand. After 3, 4 plus 5. The answer is 5. Next, you take the tens digits. 6 is in your mind and 3 is in your hand. After 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 is the answer. Totally, so 95 is the answer. Next, fifth one. Here we have 71 plus 18. Here, this we can write in the form of units and tens. Okay, this 71, 1 is in a unit place you write and 7 is in a tens place. Plus, you can write it as it is here 18. 8 is in the unit place and 1 is in the tens place. Now you can add 1 plus 8. 1 is in your mind, 8 in your hand. See, look here, 8. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 is the answer. Okay, here, in the tens, 7 plus 1. 7 is in your mind, 1 is in your hand. 7 plus 1, after the 7, 1 is 8. Then you can write it here, 89 is the answer. Thank you.